Ano, sige, sige.
Fruits. Pineapple. Ay, ano feeling ko? Music styles, rock. Human body parts. Bald. Boobs. Ano?
Sige, boobs!
Boobs. Sports. Sports.
Dodo.
Driving. Driving!
Warsaw!
Korea.
Sa wakas!
Musical instruments. Drums. Colors.
Oh my God! Apricot?
Irregular verbs. So,
Shot!
clothing.
Bakit
Earrings. Ewan ko.
Pwede naman dahil.
D. Modes of transportation. D. Drums.
Ah!
US States. US States.
Austria. Austria.
Alabama, don't trust Austria. Austria
Mammals.
is a country.
Mammals.
Grabe ka, ang yabang mo.
So,
Say Warsaw, that's Poland.
trees and shrubs.
Malaking tree.
Tree. Fruits.
Shit, nangangati na.
Fruit. Music styles. Mamba. Ano daw? Ano to? Ulo. Sports.
Uterus yun eh.
Ay, oo nga.
Here. Ano to? Here. Nasa
Big USCTs. Shit.
Shit. Yes, shit.
Ano to?
Boobs. Boobs. Ayaw pa ng boobs. Nakaka-arte. Grabe sila sa Warsaw.
Jay, isa pa, Jay. Harlem Shake ka dyan.
Huwag yung Harlem Shake. Gawin na ate. Alam may klase.
Ayun nga. Hala, nag-Harlem Shake tayo dito kanina. Nandiyan pala sila, no?
Wala na sila dyan.
Ay, wala ba sila kanina?
Mambo pala yun.
Oh, shit, ang kati.
Come on.
Academia. Anti